Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Sign in to your Microsoft account and enable Microsoft Rewards on the profile page. Use one account to consolidate points and avoid splitting rewards. Install or open the Xbox app on PC or console and link that same Microsoft account. Verify your account email and set the time zone so play sessions track correctly. Turn on notifications to receive quest and bonus alerts instantly. Confirm your rewards dashboard loads and shows your points balance before you begin playing games. Open the Xbox app and navigate to the Rewards or Quests tab to find game quests. Filter for Game Pass quests or daily and weekly offers for the highest availability. Choose a quest and begin it, noting required actions and timers before playing. Many quests require you to play for 30 minutes or complete specific achievements to qualify. While the quest runs, keep the app and game open to ensure time and activity sync. After finishing, return to the quest page and claim the points immediately. Maximize points by doing daily sets and completing weekly game quests consistently. Play for 30 minutes or more when required and finish listed objectives for each quest. Check the rewards dashboard frequently to track earned points and pending claims. Redeem accumulated points for gift cards, sweepstakes entries, or charitable donations available in the catalog. Use one Microsoft account to centralize earnings and avoid disqualification. Claim your points promptly after each quest and keep notifications enabled.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.